and I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and a wireless setup of this printer so that you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. We will also do the installing of setuping and we will do a test in the end. So let's start with the unboxing. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button and go to the display panel. Select the language English. Confirm it. Select your country. Next step is to click on the information button to start the setup process. Click on the manual setup. Select continue setup. Now we have to install the setup ink cartridges. These are the setup ink cartridges which we get with the printer. So we have to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So this is the 64 number ink cartridge. Make sure you remove the orange seal from the bottom of this ink cartridge. Repeat the process for the second ink cartridge. Ink cartridge chamber is below the scanner, so we have to open the ink cartridge chamber. So door is here, so you will see there are two handles, so you simply have to lift it up and door is locked. Now go to the ink cartridge chamber which is on the right hand side. Place the color ink cartridge on the color side. Simply place it like this and with the thumb push it forward. It will lock. Install the black ink cartridge same way. Push it and it will lock. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. To load the paper tray we have to open the tray here. Place your hand here and push it outside. It will open the paper tray for you. On the top there is a tray for the photos, so you can place a photo paper later on. Now let it go inside and open the bottom tray. Adjust the size by pushing it on the one side, and here you can place letter size or A4 size paper. Close the paper tray. Paper output tray is automatic, so it will come out itself. Now the calibration is done and we have to simply click OK on the display panel. Click on the more info button. Click on the advanced setup. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of the printer. So click on the wireless. It will search for the available wireless networks. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password of your wireless network. Click OK button. The blue light will stop blinking once the setup is done. Now next step is to click on the print report button. So click on that. Here we can see our printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network and it displays all the details about the wireless network here. Now go to the display panel and click OK button. You can also select for the web services setup now. If you want, you can do now, otherwise you can click on the setup later. Select printer update options. Press continue button. Select home or business. Select the right option. Press OK button. Here we can see we have completed the setup and the wireless setup of this printer, and now we can simply use it for the copy. If you want to use it for scanning and printing wirelessly, simply add this printer in your device using the HP Smart app, and then you can start the wireless printing and scanning. Overall, it's a very good printer for home or office use. It also has an automatic document feeder tray which is on the top of the printer, so you can use it for multiple scannings. Thanks for watching.